Hello, everybody. The reward of the petition. In relation to the development of technology, you will pin out the correct of realignment of time for the funds. Any funds in relation to third subject, it will perform itself into network 5. The also foundation will reweave itself into the door of 1143. The 1143 is the consumption of the Purusal by the Patisa. The Patisa is the police army for Sector 3 in relation to the confluence. The confluence for the academic result will formulate into one by the border. Any border in relation to a subject, it will repin itself into the doors to heaven. The doors to heaven will play itself into the transmission. The transmission of the program will restart itself into the hemisphere. The hemisphere is B5F315 in relation to the condor. The condor machine itself into the network of one and also in the relay. The relay is 4325, 4326 in relation to Jesus Christ. The mathematician will be working in the outsole. The outsole for the Formula One is the testament of law based upon the element of law by the border. Any border in relation to third subject, it will repin out the corrects of realignment of time. The funds will actually be upgraded into the formula. The formula 141414 is a fifth division to complex itself into network 5. In relation to the third subject, it will repin itself into the confinement of life. The confinement of life cycle will patternize the ink system. The ink system will formulate 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 3, 2, 4 in relation to Jesus Christ. The mathematician will form itself into the Punanan of the Pulu. The Pulu will rewire itself into the evolution time for the transmission. The transmission of the program will restate the mind of power based upon the confunction. The confunction is the testament of law based upon the element of law by the border. Any border in relation to third subject, you will repin out the corrects of realignment of time. The spirit of the sun will wish among the bashful thoughts in relation to the condor. The condor will machine itself into the nananang. The nananang is the vision to complex itself into the piscon, to preview itself into the border. Any border in relation to the third subject, it will win out the Tacman. This is the Formula 1 for the Banana Ruler 2, Division 6 Compliance Network 1.